that we should identify ourselves as Muslims only. All identities, other identities should be secondary, tertiary. Every Muslim should be a Muslim first, an Arab after that, or a Pakistani after that, or an Indian after that, or a Pushtun or Turk after that. First of all, Muslim. Number two, we can and we may follow some of the school of fiqh. You may follow the school of fiqh of Imam Abu Hanifa or Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal and so on. But don't call yourself Hanafi or Hanbali. Call yourself Muslims only. No other identity should be attached to you. هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا.